Alright, welcome to another quick tutorial. As always, I am Ali, and this tutorial we are going to be looking at how to use Google's site kit to run all Google related stuff, Google Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Speed, and so on and so forth. So the first thing you need to do on your WordPress site is go to plugins and install Google Site Kit. Just search for Google Site Kit and install. I'm installing right now. Then once you install, you activate it immediately. After activating it, so now that you have your site kit installed, you can see congratulations. So the next thing you want to do is simply click on Start Setup. Now it's sweet to use Google Site Kit to run your site because it actually helps you to do a better job of putting all the things related to Google in one place rather than having different related plugins from Google and trying to install all kinds of different plugins. So you have just this one that will work for all other stuff that's related to Google that you want. So you can see now when I click on activate, log in with Google, you can see to verify you own Iowa Land Register Expert. That's my site name, and I've set up your search console. So they want to access, they just need my approval to access my site and all that. So I'm just clicking on sign in with Google. So you can only do this on your own if you have, except if your web developer have access to your website. So you can see here, these are all the approvals I've given them, and here I can also say view and manage search console data for my verified sites, manage the list of sites and domains I control. So I can put all these things here and click on continue. So if you like, you can go and check the terms of service and all those other stuff on your own. So we are moving on. Let's verify ownership. You want to verify the ownership of the site. If it is mine, you click on proceed. So you can see I logged in with my Google account so that they can have access to the site and then be able to verify all the things they want to verify. So they are verifying right now. So as you are going through the process, you can see it's you just read what is on the page and then you just follow the next step. You are now verified as the owner of your website, and the next thing is add site. Congratulations, you are done with your Google Site Kit. And so we are now in. So this is how you set up your Google Site Kit. Now when you go back to your dashboard, you now go back to your dashboard and you can see you now have everything here. So what you simply have to do now is, if you have Google AdSense, you connect the service to your site. If you want to connect Google Analytics, you connect it. If you want to connect Google Page Speed Insight, you connect. So I'm going to connect Google Analytics right now because that's what a lot of people always want to learn how to connect. So I'm going right now to connect Google Analytics, and I've clicked on the connect service, and I'm just going to click on my normal email, see and download your Google Analytics data. Just mark that and we are good to go. We are moving on. So you can see the step-by-step process. You just have to follow the step-by-step process and everything is going to be easily done. You can see, please select the account information below. You can change this view later in your settings. So now if I want to, this is my online office analytics, increase your website sales, graphics for 360 So set up a new account. So you can set up a new account for your Google Analytics, so you can see all website data, everything, and you can just say create a new account. So the other ones that you saw here that it brought to me that I can choose from are the old websites I've had in the past where I've actually set up Google Analytics. So I'm setting it up again for this website just to show you, and I'm going to click on create account, and you can see it's connecting the service. Going back, to choose Google account, you can see create a new Google Analytics account along with its default property and view, edit Google Analytics, manage entity. So you get to choose, see the 6 services that SiteKit has access to. So I already give SiteKit access to 6 site features. So it means it actually gives me the opportunity to be able to specify which ones I want to have access to in my analytics account. And so that's what I'm setting up right now. So you just have to be patient to follow. So here you just scroll down, and just all these are just their terms of service and all the rest, and then you click on I also accept data processing terms, blah blah blah. If you want them to share Google Analytics data with Google and help more, you just click on all these things, and Google just use all these things for mostly for ads. If you want to start running Google related ads, maybe YouTube ads, Google ads, and some other things that relates to Google, when you allow them to access your site, to analyze your site, and you're trying to run ads towards your site, all this data will be very useful for you. I accept, and success. Your analytics account was successfully created. Go to my dashboard, and now I'm going back to my dashboard to see my analytics. So now this is my traffic at a glance. So once I start having data, everything will start showing up here in my SiteKit. You can see this is a site overview, traffic at a glance from your site, analytics gathering data. So they are still gathering data because and also once I start running traffic to this site, maybe I start posting stuff on social media and sending people direct to this site, I'll be able to see data of where my traffic is coming from, what are they clicking on, where are they moving, where are they coming from, what country are they coming from, and what time of the day are they coming in. So this is all you need to do to set up your Google Analytics. So if you want to set up some other things, maybe you want to check your page speed insights, just click on connect service and you follow the prompt, the instruction prompt too, step by step. Just follow the prompt, continue. So you can see that using the Google SiteKit actually makes a lot of sense, more than you just trying to install Google Analytics alone. So you can see search for individual page or post information. You can see, so you can actually take specific post or specific page and search data on it and see what results you are going to be getting. So I think this is all for this tutorial. Thank you so much. As always, Ali. So I'm going to be working on other tutorials soon, and that's all for today. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.